New into inventory at JLD Auto Group is this 2002 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. This example is finished in bright red exterior paint over an ebony interior and still retains its original exterior factory plastic wrappings. They're also present on the interior, which we will see here in a little bit. The original window stickers are still affixed to the passenger door window, which can probably lead one to believe that the mileage on this example is not very high, and that would be correct, as this example only has 54 miles showing on the odometer, so this is a bit of a museum piece considering this is the last year for the Pontiac Firebird. You can even see the foam piece there on the door, driver's door, so it is incredibly well preserved. This car is optioned with the WS6 Ram Air Performance and Handling package, as well as the remote disc CD changer, traction control, and also has the Hurst Shifter rounding out the options list. Again, a very well preserved example with only 54 miles. The inside also has the factory plastics, some there on the driver's door, as well as on the rocker panel and seats, steering wheel, and e-brake boot. Other than that, the seats are in excellent condition with all leather surfaces in basically perfect new condition as it came from the showroom. The original service tag is still on the mirror there, on the rearview mirror from the final inspection at the dealership. So as we get a last look up here at the T-tops of the Firebird, we will close things out with a startup video and a look underneath the hood at the engine bay.